In this video we take a look at the French seam. Stay with me and I'll show you how. The French seam is used on fine or lightweight fabrics, and it gives us a neat finish by enclosing the raw edges of our fabric. So let's get started. For the other seams that we've learned in the series so far, we've been holding the right sides of the fabric together to stitch our seams. But with the French seam, we're going to place our fabric's wrong sides together, so the insides of our fabric facing each other. We pin these together and we sew a seam of about 1 centimetre. We set our machine to straight stitch and we sew along the edge. Now with our two sides sewn together, we want to enclose the edges. We trim down both edges to about 1/2 centimetre. We then open our piece up. We fold back along the seam with the right sides together. And we stitch along the edge that we've just folded, enclosing our edges. We then press our seam to one side. Now we have a neatly finished seam with our raw edges enclosed. Here it is from the right side and the wrong side. And that's how to do a French seam.